Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to convert a photo to vector image using Illustrator's image trace function. This will be a very quick tutorial, so let's begin. I am going to use this photo. I created it myself using acrylic paint. And now let's open up image trace panel, which is located in Window and Image Trace. Select your photo and in the image trace panel click preset and select high fidelity photo. This will take some time, so I just speed up the process. Now after tracing is done, you have converted your photo to vector image. Just last thing you have to do, expand to vector objects. So with object selected, click object and click expand and hit OK. And here you can see you have fully vector image. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and goodbye.